Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show how to play Android games in Play Store without installing. Before getting into the video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Without any further ado, let's get started. Before getting into the video, one thing you need to know, that is, you cannot able to play all the games in the Play Store without installing. You can only able to play the games which developers provided the Train of Future. You can even search on the Google to know the list of games which are available with the Google Play Instant. Now let's check how Google Play Instant games work. That's all for this video guys. If you like this video, click on the like button, share with your friends and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.